Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen today. In this video I'm going to be sharing a recipe to make this homemade granola from scratch. It's just a few simple ingredients that hopefully you already have in your pantry. Growing up, when I was a little girl, my parents used to make homemade granola all the time, but I had never really made any myself, so I would just buy a bag at the store. But one day I was feeling like eating granola, but I didn't have any, so I was like, why don't I just try making a recipe similar to what my mom used to make? And so I did. I started just experimenting with it, and so this is the recipe that I make now. I usually make this granola like once every week or every 2 weeks. My husband likes to take it to work with him for breakfast with yogurt, and I just eat it with fruit and milk, and there's tons of ways to use it, and it's a really easy and simple recipe, so I thought that I would share it with you today. My son Aaron is 2 years old, and when he saw that I was going to make this recipe, he climbed up onto a stool and wanted to help me, so you'll see him helping me throughout this video. But let's go ahead and start with the recipe. This is everything you'll need for this recipe, and the ingredients are 4 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of pecans, a half a cup of shredded coconut, and then for the wet portion it's 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of oil, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, half a cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These are just the basic ingredients that I use, but you could add so many more add-ons like sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews, or peanuts. You'll want to preheat your oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Put those inside. Then in a large mixing bowl, you'll combine the oats with the pecans and the shredded coconut. Mix that together, and then in a medium mixing bowl you're going to combine the oil with water, the maple syrup, the vanilla extract, and the brown sugar. Whisk that all together. Very carefully. Good job. Then add it to the dry ingredients and mix everything together until all the oats look nicely coated with the wet mixture. Then you'll put everything into a large oven-safe pan and put it in the oven to bake. This will bake for around 2 hours, but you want to check it every 30 minutes or less and give it a good stir so that it doesn't burn and so that all of the granola bakes evenly. Once the 2 hours are up or the granola looks a golden brown color, you can remove it from the oven and let it cool. Then you can just store it in a container in your pantry and enjoy it throughout the week. Also, once it's done, you can add extra things like chocolate chips, or my husband loves adding peanuts to his. So there's tons of different options of what you could add to it once it's ready. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you end up trying this recipe, let me know how it turned out, if you liked it. And you can also tag me on Instagram. I'll have my link in the description of this video. And also in the description, I'm going to put a written out recipe for the granola so that way you can just copy and paste it into a document. You can print it or whatever you need to do. Let me know if you'd like me to share any other simple and easy recipes similar to this one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I'd love for you to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me on this channel. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.